I'm gonna do a quick video here before I go to bed because I have found something that's really helped me, and it seems to be pretty on, and we're gonna test it here shortly. But right now I have my zero here. You see, tip is on the corner. Now, say I'm running this project, I have, my power goes out, a saw trips the breaker, something, heaven forbid, because it does suck, you guys all know that. Anyways, I have this going on. My machine, you know, is way off yonder doing things, just doing stuff, right? So what I have done, and is the easiest way to get back on track almost exactly where you were, is to set your home switch buttons. I always work out of this corner. If I have to do a middle zero, I can do that out here or whatever. I always work out of this corner. So if I'm way out here and I get lost, check this out. After you set your home switches, machine, and this only works with a Z probe. Home. And the reason it only works with a Z probe is because you want to get your depth perfect, right? Because if your depth's off, you're not gonna, it won't line up correctly. But this is your X and Y re-zero right here if you work out of the corner. Took me like 3 attempts to get the home switches in the right spot, tweaking them as I go. Okay, now let's lower her down. And I don't know what that god-awful noise is. If somebody can help me with that, please tell me. All right, boom. We are right back on the corner. Now, if you Z-probe it before you carve, that's why I have this cut out in case I have thinner material. I still need to shave a little off the edges. I just redid this surface tonight and put a new one of these back on there. But you Z-probe it and you have your thickness. So you have your X and Y re-zero perfectly where you started, and then you have your Z-axis zeroed if you use the probe. I hope this helps some people. I know this, I have used this trick a few times when a project airs out, or for some reason my laptop disconnects from my controller, and this seems to have helped me quite a bit to get back right on track. You just have to Z-probe it. If you don't Z-probe it, you might not be perfect on your depth, and you can really tell that if you cut out letters with a shaping bit, or a whatever kind of bit, the flat bottom, a real small one of these. If you cut that out and then you go to detail it with your V bit, it won't quite get on the edges like it should. I mean, I hope this helps people. Quick little tip of mine that I have learned, just set your home switches and everything will play out. Like and subscribe. I will have more X-Carve videos coming out. I love you all. Not really, but thank you.